Peace and blessings. Today we are going to make some Seamoss Gel from our wild-crafted sea moss. The first step is to wash your sea moss in spring water and get rid of all the excess debris from the bottom of the ocean. After a few washes, our sea moss is now nice and clean. The next step is now to soak our sea moss in spring water. Make sure the spring water fully covers the sea moss. And so we will have it soaked in spring water for a period of a minimum of 12 hours. It is now about 29 hours since we've soaked our sea moss, and it's now ready. Now we're ready to blend it. Using the same water. Don't throw out the water. It's full of minerals, vital minerals from the sea moss. So you want to blend your sea moss until it's nice and smooth. You'll notice that it will start thickening. So just keep adding more water until you get the texture that you like. My Seamoss Gel is ready and it's nice and thick. I still have some of the water from the sea moss left in here. I will not waste the minerals in there. So I'm gonna put it in my smoothie. I couldn't put it all in the smoothie, so I'm gonna drink the rest of it. So you can have the gel or by itself. Or you can add it to your smoothie. So there you have it, folks. Seamoss Gel. I've put mine in these little bottles so I can put them in the fridge and pull them out whenever I want to have a dip of sea moss. So nutritious, it contains 92 of 102 minerals that the human body needs daily in order for cell renewal and health. Peace and black power.